Satire derives from the Latin phrase satura, meaning a form of Latin comedy. This type of comedy has existed throughout the entirety of human history. Take, for instance, the satire of the trades, one of the earliest forms of satire. Consider Roman comedies ridiculing emperors throughout the 5th and 6th century. To now, the groundbreaking satirical English and French magazines of the late 20th and 21st century, including Punch and Charlie Hebdo, attacked for their nonconformist and secular viewpoints. Parody has always existed. Like comedy, it exists to expose taboo topics in a space that doesn't judge, it just laughs. However, my favourite satirical artist would have to be Rucka Rucka Ali. Having procured over 2 million subscribers on his separate channels, he's garnered online attention for now over 10 years. The reason for my liking towards this style of content, short 3-minute music parodies, is because it allows him to ridicule the political environment and other musical artists at their own expense through a familiar beat. The identity between Rucka Rucka Ali, his YouTube identity, and the man himself becomes completely dissected when he releases new songs. By employing racial and ethnic stereotypes in his songs, instead of being overtly edgily racist, he achieves his humorous identity by becoming the racial stereotypes in his videos and embracing their alter egos. He becomes Toby Queith, a stereotypical redneck from the southern states of America, DJ Not Nice, a recent immigrant and stereotypical Chinese man, and my all-time favorite, Boris Anastasia, a stereotypical Russian immigrant. He also emulates recent and former American presidents like Barack Obama and Donald Trump. Consider one of his most recent songs, Believe Her, parodying Believer by Imagine Dragons, in which he commentates on the topical issue of the accusations towards Brett Kavanaugh, allegedly having sexually abused several teenage girls when he was an adolescent at a house party. Ali also comments on the controversy of the Me Too movement, known for believing all women who may have been sexually abused without additional evidence. The cynical take on the movement can be seen in the title itself, Believe Her. Take for instance in the song where Ali sings, "She says she'd gotten raped, and I believe her, believe her." These lyrics seemingly sum up the message of the song herself. You must believe her. From this, one can convey the feelings of several movements that are against the sexual abuse of women, by over-ballooning issues such as men's toxic masculinity, and that all men have inhibitions to commit rape. This is later stated in the song where Ali states that the men in the pen are just training for the day when they break out and rape. This one stanza alone isolates the thoughts and feelings of modern feminism to my own reasoning, stated above. Satire allows us to explore the many perspectives of controversial events that occur. Rucka Rucka Ali does this perfectly. He comments on police brutality in a joking way, the over-invasive techniques utilised by the TSA and minorities casually. He notes on the demonetization and demonization of PewDiePie being labelled as a Nazi calmly, and observes brashly on North Korea's dictator Kim Jong-un and ill nonchalant. Through this, the satire utilised by Ali allows us to sit back and expose taboos through popular tunes.
Yeah, man. Hey.